a single sort of experience in both discovery and assessment and migration. So it can do a lot of things in that. I'm going to give you a bit of a demonstration of this. All right. So here's Azure Migrate. As I said today, it works with vSphere 5.5 and 6.0 right now. It will work with 6.5 as we move into GA, and also Hyper-V. And in this demonstration, you probably saw me do a little bit of this on Monday, but I want to go a little bit deeper into these areas as well. So in this case, basically, you've discovered a bunch of virtual machines, and we can go look at all those virtual machines and what they are. Maybe. You know, I always love it when demos break. Yeah, I know, I forgot. So why are we talking here? I'm going to go install Chrome. And we're going to not help make Google better. And we're going to do this again. I'm sorry about this, but the edge on these machines are locked down a little bit, and there's some things that just don't work a little bit. So while this is downloading, all right. Everyone go to Universal tonight? Totally. I'm going to put my Harry Potter stuff on and migrate.